This is a 2016 Montana 310RE, 34-foot fifth wheel, 3 slides. This is an awesome floor plan. It comes with an island kitchen, 5-year service contract, auto leveling, 4-door refrigerator, electric fireplace, Korean counters, theater-style seating with heat and massage, sofa sleeper. This unit sleeps 4. Stainless steel 4-door refrigerator. HD TV over fireplace. Great open floor plan. Skylight over shower. Walk around king bed. Washer and dryer prep. Another HD TV in the bedroom. For more information, just simply give us a call at 1-360-314-6141. I'd like to say welcome to Annie's RV.